Insurance Agency located in Richmond, Virginia, serving clients in Virginia, Maryland, and DC. Once a week, we post a video to answer an insurance-related question to help you make a more informed decision about your coverage. Our videos are very short and right to the point. This week, I want to talk to you about properly insuring your home if you have a swimming pool. Over the past 2 years, due to the pandemic, several clients have installed swimming pools. They no longer want to go to the community pool. They haven't been able to go to the community pool, and they've got space and they've put in a pool. Most people will call up, they'll ask the question, does my homeowner's insurance provide coverage if I install a pool? In most cases, the answer is yes. They're happy, off they go. When instead, the next question ought to be, do I have enough coverage when I install a swimming pool? For two reasons. One, the cost of the swimming pool itself, but more importantly, liability. When you have a swimming pool, your liability risk exposure has tripled. If somebody trips and falls on the pool deck, God forbid if somebody were to drown in the pool, whether or not you're even there, whether or not you even know that they were using your pool, you as the homeowner are liable. In most cases, homeowners insurance will provide liability coverage up to $100,000 or $300,000. Some policies provide higher limits. But typically to get above $500,000, you have to get an umbrella policy. Less than 25% of homes that have swimming pools have umbrella policies. So what does that mean? What that means is if somebody slips and falls on your pool deck and they crack open their head, their medical bills, I can almost promise you, will far exceed $100,000 of liability. So where does the additional money come from? It comes from you. The reason umbrella policies are so important, especially when you have a higher risk exposure, for example, swimming pool, a teenage driver in your home, those are two of the biggest needs to secure umbrella coverage. Now, how do you know what limit you need? Well, you want to find out what is your total exposure. In the event of a lawsuit, if somebody's injured on the property, how much do you have to lose? Tally up all of your assets. Those are what you need to protect. So whatever that amount is, you want to make sure that the limit on your umbrella policy exceeds your total assets for proper protection. But again, it's a really hot topic right now, those installing swimming pools. But make sure when you call, you not only ask if your policy will provide coverage for a swimming pool, but then also inquire about adding an umbrella policy. A couple other things related to swimming pools that you need to check on as well. If you're going to install a diving board, there are companies that will not allow that. That is excluded. Same goes for a sliding board. Most companies will require that you have a 4-foot or higher lockable fence surrounding the pool. Again, they're trying to prevent unauthorized access from those that shouldn't be in the pool area from getting in, especially if you're not home. You'd be amazed at how often that does happen, again, completely unbeknownst to the homeowner, and next thing you know, somebody's hurt and you're involved in a lawsuit. If you have questions about homeowners insurance, liability insurance, or really any other type of insurance, we'd love an opportunity to talk with you. Our phone number is 804-320-2886, or feel free to check out our website, theandrewagency.com. Have a great day.